In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear speakers on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. In the back seat with the seats folded down, we're going to take these panels off on the side. There's a little cover right here. I'm just going to use a pick, get underneath it, pop that out. Just clips in on one side, slides out. You can see there's a screw in there. We're going to use a T15 socket. Take those screws out. There you go. Just grab the panel and pop it out. Just slide it up just like that. And then we'll do the same with the other side. We're not going to take this out completely. Out. That's good. Using a trim tool, just get under the clips, pop the clips out. Just try to pop those out. Sometimes they break, just gotta replace them. Grab the panel, just gonna slide it forward. Slide that down. Now from in the trunk, we're going to disconnect the speaker just using a pick. Just push this little tab, slide the connector out. Now we'll take these two screws out. I'm going to use a 7mm socket. Grab the speaker, and it slides right out. Take the speaker, it only goes on one way, the connector is going to be in the way. If it doesn't slide that way, you spin it around. Put the screws in. I'll snug these down. Plug the connector in from in the trunk, and then you can do the same on the other side. I'll slide the panel back in. Try to get it at an angle first. Do the other side. And make your adjustments. Now take some push pins. And push them in. And one more. Now line the panel up. Good. Take the screw, get that lined up. Just snug that down. Take the cover, slide that in, lock it down. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.